When it comes to survival, separating myth from reality can mean the difference between life and death. Some so-called survival hacks are more Hollywood fiction than practical advice, and following them could lead to dangerous mistakes. In this video, we'll expose some of the most common survival myths, explain why they're wrong, and provide practical strategies that actually work. One common myth is the idea that you can eat anything animals eat. This is false. Plants that are safe for wildlife can be toxic to humans. Instead, learn to identify edible plants in your area. Another dangerous myth is focusing on food first. In reality, shelter, water, and warmth are more urgent priorities. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without water or hours in extreme conditions. Navigation myths can also mislead you. For instance, moss doesn't always grow on the north side of trees. Instead, learn reliable methods like using the sun, stars, or a compass. And remember, clear water isn't always safe to drink. Always purify water through boiling, filters, or purification tablets to avoid harmful pathogens. Finally, don't believe the myth that you should suck venom out of a snake bite. This can do more harm than good. Instead, keep the limb immobilized and below heart level, and get medical attention immediately. Preparation is your strongest survival tool. Start today by learning edible plants, packing a survival kit, and practicing skills like water purification. Share this video to spread life-saving knowledge. Stay prepared, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.